Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with the walk around the exterior of this very nice 3 Series Sport we have here for you. It's just very recently come in part exchange. It's presented in the Glacier Silver and does come with a very wide optional extra range, which of course I'm going to point out to you as we go around the car, along with showing you the overall condition. So at the front of the car you'll see we've added the very nice gloss black kidney grills, alongside having the 18-inch sport alloy wheels fully refurbished in the gloss black, as you can see there. All the way around the vehicle has the premium mixed run flat tyres. The sport model of 3 Series also comes with this very nice lower black fog light surrounds, along with the lower gloss black lip, as you can see there. Moving on down the side of the car, you'll be able to see the gloss black mirror caps that we've also added, along with one of the very standout options for this car being the glass optional extra sunroof. It also has the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, as you can see there. And we'll move on for our first glance at the interior, which again is very nicely presented and has been very well kept. Again, it's the optional extra black Dakota sport leather. So as you can see there, we've got the lovely red highlights running through the seats and through the central portion of those. They are in fact also heated with the electric lumbar option as well, and of course having that glass sunroof really does allow the light to come onto those very nicely. And again, it's a 6-speed manual, and of course you'll be able to see just how nicely kept this vehicle has been. Moving on to the rear, again showing you off that lovely sun protection glazing option. In the rear you'll find a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench with a central folding armrest. And this vehicle also includes the rare for the sport models, a darkened sport headlining. Normally this would just be the grey, however it's been opted for that as well. So a very long options list for this car. Moving around towards the rear, again showing you off those very nice freshly refurbished alloy wheels. The rear of the car, you'll see we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler to the car. The sports all come with the very nice black rear section to the diffuser. There you'll be able to see it's a 318D Sport. We'll open up the boot to again allow you to see just how large the luggage capacity is, and again this vehicle comes with the genuine BMW floor mats nicely presented there. Another option we have for the car is the split folding seats. You'll be able to see there, so of course you can even further increase your luggage capacity should it be required. Around at the other side, again that Glacier Silver has been very well cared for on this car, and of course all the additions we've made here at Your Next Car have really made this car stand out very nicely. So I'll quickly just demonstrate the split folding seat option before I head on inside, because there is yet more special features to demonstrate on this lovely 3 Series Sport. So there you can see just having that will of course aid you for that little bit extra further luggage capacity. And I'm going to go ahead now, take a seat, and we'll just demonstrate some of the further options that we have on the car. And of course I'll also show you what, first of all, my definite standout feature for this car is that lovely optional extra nearly £900 option of a glass sunroof. And we'll just pop that up into the tilt, and as you can see there, still with that up in the tilt mode, we still get a lot of natural light into the car, which is always a positive. BMW business navigation and media with both DAB and of course sat nav. Currently you can see the DAB list. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you right the way through for your USB, Bluetooth audio and your AUX inputs. Taking a look at the navigation screen there, as you can see, we've also got Bluetooth for telephone. And going back to the main menu, we'll take a look at the service requirements and service history in just a second. Down here you'll find the dual climate control and of course the switches for your heated seats. It's covered just over 67,000 miles, and hopefully within this video you've been able to see just how well kept this vehicle is in terms of overall condition. It's got the cruise control and speed limiter option there. We've also got voice and volume controls, and we'll go ahead now and take a look at the full BMW service history the car also benefits from. As you can see, the next service, which I'll display for you now, is not due for 19,000 miles, and we've also got everything highlighted in green. To go right down to the bottom, there you can see from the first service all the way up to the most recent. As you can see, we've got full BMW service history, as well as a very well looked after 3 Series Sport. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Relevant contact information and of course website links can all be found in the description below. Thank you guys, do of course take care, and we hope to see you soon. See you soon, goodbye.